Hey everyone, Leo Bond here. I'm back again today for the Best Buy Canada blog, and this time I'm taking a look at the DJI RoboMaster S1, which is a ground-based robotic drone that has a ton of different features. It's fun, it's educational, and recently, just over the weekend here, I have had the chance to test one out. Now, unfortunately, the one that I received, it didn't come with a box, it didn't come with instructions, it was already assembled. Normally this thing is a part and you have to put it together yourself. That is actually part of the fun of the thing. And so anyway, it's a little bit tough for me to figure it out, but I've been working on it and finding out a lot of really cool things, and I'm going to try to tell you about a few of them here in this video. So the first thing that you need to know about this is that it can basically drive around and it can avoid obstacles. It can do all kinds of stuff pretty much in the realm of basically an RC vehicle. It's got these really weird tires, and they're actually able to make it go sideways. It's the strangest thing to see, but it is very cool. It has obstacle avoidance, so if something gets in its way, it can actually go out around it. It's also equipped with a little camera up front on the top of the turret there that allows you to see everything that the drone sees as it's driving around right on your phone. So you basically use it through an app, and that gives you full control over the thing. And you can play games. There's solo games, and there's games that you can play against other people that also have a drone of this type themselves. So basically, it's got the little cannon that you can see on the front there, and what it does is there's actually two different ways that it can fire. One is just infrared shots, so basically like a laser tag game, but it also has these little water-based pellets, and you get a bottle of them with the drone. They're so small you can barely see them, but you soak them in water for about 4 hours and they kind of take in the water and swell up, and then you can just shoot at each other. And there's sensors on the drone that actually lets the drone know when it's been hit, and much like in a video game, a certain amount of hits are going to keep taking your life force down until one person loses, and then you know you're left with a winner if it's a one-on-one game, or if it's you could have a 3 or 4 person game if you want it to. It's really cool. One of the things about this as well is that it's highly educational. It teaches you about programming. You can actually program the drone to do different things, make different moves and whatnot. And there's physics involved, there's math, and it also has tracking, so it can track you, can follow you around. There's this blue tape that it comes with. I don't actually have any of that myself, but it does come with some, and you can kind of tape down a path for it to follow, and it will be able to follow the path. So many interesting things that this can do, and I'm still learning about it obviously here, but I'm having a whole lot of fun with it, and it will be coming soon to Best Buy. Hopefully we're going to have a complete sample, one that we can actually see what it's like to put it together, because I believe that is supposed to be a considerable part of the fun of this and the educational aspect of it as well, because as you put it together, you kind of learn what all the different components are, and then later on, if you have to do some maintenance or upkeep, you'll know exactly what you have to work on or whatever. So very cool drone. Keep an eye out on the blog and on Best Buy for this. I have no doubt that it's going to be probably one of the most popular items. I don't even want to call it a toy because it's so much more than that. And obviously from DJI, they really know what they're doing when it comes to drones. And now they've gone to ground with this one. So anyway, that's all I'm going to say here in the video. I do have a write-up on this as well. Like I say, I am learning stuff as I go here, but I'm going to put as much detail in that as possible. So do go ahead and check that out over at the Best Buy Canada blog. In the meantime, I'd like to thank you for watching. Stay tuned to the blog and Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next video.